Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fascinating mod that's got the Apple community buzzing. Imagine this: you've got your brand new MacBook Neo, but you're already craving more storage. Well, one Chinese repair shop has taken matters into their own hands and upgraded the Neo's storage to a whopping 1 terabyte. Now, this isn't your average DIY upgrade. Apple's MacBook Neo, with its sleek design and powerful A18 Pro chip, is a beauty. But when it comes to storage, Apple plays it safe with 256GB or 512GB options. The modder, known as DirectorFeng, decided to push the boundaries. They replaced the onboard NAND package, which is no small feat. This isn't a simple plug-and-play upgrade, it's a delicate micro-soldering job. DirectorFeng had to remove the original chip, clean the logic board, and install the new, higher-capacity NAND. It's like performing surgery on a tiny computer. What makes this mod truly remarkable is that it goes beyond Apple's intended design. Apple typically doesn't encourage tinkering with their hardware, and such modifications often void warranties. But here's the twist: macOS recognized the larger capacity without any fuss. No firmware issues, no performance hiccups. In fact, there was even a slight write speed improvement. This is a testament to the modder's skill and the potential for customization that Apple users crave. Now, let's step back and consider the bigger picture. The MacBook Neo is already a hot topic due to its price-performance balance and ease of servicing compared to other Apple laptops. But the inability to upgrade memory and storage is a significant drawback. It's like buying a sports car and being told you can't add extra horsepower. Personally, I think Apple should take note of this mod. If they offered more storage options or made upgrades accessible to consumers, it would be a huge win. It's about giving users the freedom to customize their devices. This mod raises questions about the future of consumer electronics. Are we moving towards more closed, non-upgradable systems, or will there always be a place for tinkerers and modders? In my opinion, there's a balance to be struck. While manufacturers prioritize sleek designs and simplicity, power users and enthusiasts crave customization. It's a delicate dance between innovation and accessibility. What many people don't realize is that these mods often push the boundaries of what's possible, inspiring future design choices. So, will Apple take a hint from DirectorFeng and offer more storage flexibility in the next MacBook iteration? Only time will tell. But for now, this mod is a fascinating glimpse into what could be.